How to get Shein $100 voucher coupon code for free, guys. First step is go to your browser, type out QQ coupons here, scroll down to find Shein, press on see more here. Again, scroll down till you find $1 and $100 off your next checkout with Shein. Press on show coupon. Just simply wait for a couple of seconds here. Everybody will have their own code. If you try to copy my code, it will not work for you guys. That is unique for every user. So I will copy here the code I managed to generate. And now I have to go back to Shein app, go to the cards section. I'm just showing you how you can add it, to add this coupon when you're checking out. So here at the order confirmation, you scroll down here and you press apply voucher. So there's already a voucher here applied. I will remove this one here and I will add the new one we just got, because this one is only 15% off. I want the $100 one. So you copy paste here, press apply, and you'll see one coupon added, $100 save. And now when you press continue here, it will bring us to the order confirmation again. Apply voucher $100 minus, and at the bottom you'll see, because our order was less than 100 basically, we have a grand total of 0.00 to pay. So you just continue payment here. I think you still have to add your credit card, even though it will not charge you anything, and that's it. You enjoy your order. If you came so far, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the video, support me. Cheers.